check this bad boy. Brand new, fresh out of the box. Yep, and it's a good quality one. This is OEM replacement. I bought it off Rock Auto. Funny enough, here in Australia, you're gonna have to pay more for the shipping than the actual product. Anyways, things you know. See how it's everything, like even the seal, everything is in tight and perfect neck. And this is, in case if you're wondering, this is the old gunky one. And yeah, I don't know, buying on Rock Auto, they always give me one of those magnets. So see, I've got like a few magnets. This is by far my favorite. Yep, looks nice. All right, now, two schools. One says you need to bleed it before you install it. Other says you don't have to, you're gonna bleed the whole system anyway. So you just need to install it, fill it up with the brake fluid, then start the whole bleeding process. The box already came, let me just show you, with a kit. It came with 2 hoses and even attachments. There you go. So you can attach it over here and basically bleed it. Now, I'm a rookie, what do I know? So I'm gonna stick to school one. Let's try to bleed it and see how that goes. Anyways, just like we got it out, we just need to put it back in. So I'm just gonna bleed it a bit, put some more fluid, bleed it, and install it there, then hook up everything back into original place and as it should be. And hopefully that will get us working. You've seen how I took it out. I'm just gonna put it back in the reverse, and that's about it. I'll show you the final product once it's all done. Cool. Guys, I think we got it. Check it out. This is the brand new master cylinder, brand new brake fluid. And check it out, I've already bled that side. Now I'm doing this one. And it is working. Check out the gunk that I managed to get out. And look at it. So if I just press normal, it moves normal. You see the air, you see the bubbles that are coming out. You see how empty, how much air was in the system? Get out. See? It's effortless. Just pump a couple pumps and it's just gonna get pretty much all the air out. Wow. If I knew, I would have replaced the cylinder ages ago. See? Just air. Bubbles. And that's why we didn't have brakes. That's why we did not have brakes. Get out. Get out, you fool. Until you see pure brake fluid coming out. Not bubbles, not air bubbles like that. I don't care. I've got enough. I'm gonna top it up. And yeah, by the way, each time when you do this, it's always good to go check it out. See how it's just getting reduced just a bit. And keep an eye, back and forth. Once I'm done with that wheel, I'm gonna do that side, then this side. And this is how we conclude bleeding the brakes. Sweet! On a separate note, I thought to replace this one. Let me get you some light just so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now, it just looks dirty from the outside, but trust me, it's bad. I removed that one, as you can clearly see, and come check it out. So, this is the one that I removed from the passenger side. Alright? Look how rusty. Look how bad. And look how old. 120 watt. Ugh. I got this bad boy from Super Cheap Auto, and this is it. 6.5. And it is 300 watt. So more than double. And see? It should fit like a glove. If I'm putting them on top of each other, it's exactly perfect fit. So what we need to do, get the old one out and chuck it in the bin, put the new one in, and that's it. Perfect. And there you have it. Like I said, it fits like a glove. I didn't even need to drill any more holes. The same 3 screws that I had from before and same location. Fits perfectly. So this is this side And that's the other side right there. The car is getting better. Now we're just simply waiting for the battery over there to charge so that we can just put it in, crank the car, test the brakes. God knows how long that'll take, because you know what? I'm just gonna go and buy me a new battery. That's a good deal.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that we have brakes, and in theory everything should be alright, time to give this one a simple, small shakedown, just to get it out, just to see how it works and everything. The car is running low on fuel, so I'm gonna put some fuel top up, and I bought this one. So it's a fuel system cleaner, basically. So you just need to add this one, then top it up with the fuel, and hopefully that should clean up anything. Not only that, I also bought this one. See, long-term anti-wear. So this is for the engine. Since we repaired it and everything, I figured might as well just add this one as well. This will help prevent any wear and tear or grinding inside the engine. But I might actually need to get some oil out just a bit, because I don't want to overfill this one. Anyways, let's put the fuel. I've got these. This is supposed to be 5 liters. And we'll add half of this one. Yeah, half of this one sounds about right. And we'll give this one a shakedown, because this one also says that it reduces the white smoke that's coming out of the engine. I don't know how true as that is, but let's give it a shot and see how that goes. By the way, I'm planning to recharge the battery again, because I'm not buying the battery just yet. So I'm gonna work with what I got, since I can do it. Battery will run me easy $170 or $180. So might as well work with that. Cool. Add this one, it's easy. In the cap, and just open the cap and just shove it in, and same goes with the fuel. Easy does it. Sweet. All right, change of plans. The stupid battery won't charge enough to get the car rolling. So we decided to roll it ourselves and give it a quick wash. Well, not the whole car. Engine bay, front, top, sides, and under. I'm going with this bad boy. Orange agent. Yeah, because we don't have purple power. Australia. We don't have that. So we're gonna have to work with what we got. This is organic one, and it's supposed to be good. It has all the good stuff that you need organically. I don't know if that makes any sense. So the idea is we need to give this one a quick wash, especially because we worked on the brakes, so we still got some reminiscences of brake fluid here and there, plus there's a lot of gunk. I figured might as well just give it a quick wash. Now, I'm going to use the pressure washer, and I've got some attachments that I'm going to use, so I'll show you how it's going to go. But basically, when it comes to this one, you just need to spray the area that you need to wash, agitate it with a brush, and after that, spray it. Make sure to spray it whilst it's still wet. Don't let it dry. Whilst it's organic, we don't want it to dry, because you've got a lot of electrical wiring and everything, so you don't want to cause any damage. And if you can clearly tell, the battery is no longer here, simply because if I'm going to pressure wash, I need to make sure that there is no electrical fire about to happen. So, and I'm not going to switch the car on, so even if there's water, the water over time will dry out, and it's not going to cause any problem for me. Make sense? Hopefully it does. But yeah, we've got a lot of gunk, you see. A lot of debris here and there. I'd rather have it cleaned. So bask on this, have a look at it, how it looks dirty, and hopefully it'll look better once we're done cleaning. Cool. shiny it looks. All what you need to do now is just let it dry completely before you even think of driving it. You're not supposed to drive it. Not in this state at least. Because everything is soaked. But it's clean. So that's a good thing. See, everywhere. Nice. And I'm still trying to catch my breath because I had to push the car all by myself. But check it out. Check how clean. Everything looks shiny, looks clean. For a 33-something years old car, I would say that's a pretty good job. Considering this is the first time I can say that it's properly washed. Even everything. Now, look at the mess. Look at the crap that got out. Yep, all of that from under the engine. So I would say it's a pretty good job that we've done. I don't know if it's possible that you can see. Maybe some other time, because it's still dripping. I'd rather wait until it dries out so that I can examine it and see how that goes. But yeah, we're not planning to switch the car on. We're planning to buy a new battery because enough is enough. And yeah, that's enough for today. If you like what you see, stick around. Hopefully next time we get this one running and moving outside. Till I see you next time, okay? Yalla.